So good morning everybody. Carlos here, heading downhill towards Arbutus Cove. I'm checking on the tide today. If the tide is low, I can do my beach walk. If it's not, I will have to double back this way and he's done a good job here. I'll have to come back and carry on along the road. Arbutus Road will take me all the way to Hollydean Beach, which is probably where I will end this podcast recording today. Today I'm hiking the beaches of Gordon Head. So I'll be back to you shortly once I get to see what the tide is up to. Can't tell how high the tide is from up here. You have to see the beach. Hello, doggy. Hi. So my heart is at 124 at the moment. It must be pure excitement. Tide is low today, so I'm going to be able to do my beach walk without any real trouble. I have my old trail shoes on today. These are the ones I do quite a lot of cycling in. They fit well, they're comfortable and they're light. So I'm going to start recording audio now. Get back to you when I'm on the other side, way over there. But I'm going to try and get onto the sand. That's where the acoustics will be good. So stay tuned for today's beach walk episode. Hopefully I won't get my feet wet. So I was going to start recording audio, but there's still quite a lot of eye candy here for us to enjoy on this very quiet Sunday. I'm just about to get off this shingle and onto the sand over there. What I'll do today is I'll just use the audio from the camera, and there will hopefully be a noticeable improvement in audio when I switch to the Sony. I've got to figure out the best way to get across those wet boulders onto the sand. So I'll shut this down while I choose my route. I need all my wits about me. There's a nice looking heron. Let me zoom in on the heron. There he goes. I made it safely across the boulders, and I'm now on the nice, flat, quiet sand. I can see the little footprints of the dog that nuzzled its wet nose against my bare leg. Alright, I'm stepping across a little outflow across the sand, but let's say goodbye to my video audience as I climb out of the stairs at Hollydean Beach. This is the running jackal saying bye-bye to you on Sunday, the 21st of September. Norma's birthday. Bye bye. Across the sand, but nothing worse than trail running. You get your shoes wet quite often just from running in the woods or from the wet grass. Sometimes you get your shoes wet from running on grass that's been rained on, or dew for that matter. DEW.